I invite you to study how operating systems work and even participate in practical development of some components. When I was a student, I dreamed of a course that would truly teach how operating systems work. Not just theory, not just concepts, but the real, practical knowledge of building one. Today, I'm running this course to fulfill that dream, both for myself and for you. Back in the day, Ken Thompson created Unix in just 3 weeks. Here is his reminiscing.
And so I started writing these programs on the side, and at some point, I realized, without knowing it up until that point, that I was 3 weeks from an operating system with 3 programs, one a week. An editor, I needed an editor to write code. I needed an assembler to turn the code into language I could run. And I needed a little kernel kind of overlay, call it an operating system. And 1 week, and we had Unix.
However, today, if we have a look at number 1 resource for operating systems developers, we will see that many believe that no single engineer could build an operating system from scratch. Why is that? What's changed? The truth is, there are no comprehensive textbooks that can teach you how to build an operating system. The real knowledge lies in the source code, in the architectural decisions, in the practical experience of working with such complex systems. Since most of us don't have years of OS development experience, we'll build it piece by piece. This course is entirely practical. We'll dive deep into existing architectures, examining Linux and some educational operating systems to understand their design choices and implementation details. But we won't just study, we'll build. Each student will implement a crucial component of an operating system. Some will create a scheduler, learning how processes are managed. Others will build user space components, understanding the user kernel boundary. Some will implement memory management, diving into virtual memory concepts. And others will work on the bootloader, learning how an OS comes to life. This isn't your typical theoretical course. There won't be long lectures about abstract concepts. Instead, you'll be writing code, debugging real systems, and understanding how everything fits together. So, if you are still with me, welcome aboard. It will be a long, hard, but essentially the journey worth to experience.